Henrik is origin from Germany. It's a German-oriented organization which is have worldwide offices in UK, United Kingdom. We have under factory in United Kingdom and Germany, Hong Kong, Africa, Vietnam, Bangladesh, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Turkey, Netherlands, Sri Lanka, Australia, North America, South America, Singapore, Denmark, Turkey, France, Switzerland. Also, we have other regions which is called Canada, and some regions in Europe like Spain, Turkey, Uzbekistan, Russia. So we have our distributors channels worldwide. Public address voice alarm system, IP-based public address system, advanced video surveillance system, which covers CCTV camera, also which combines superior qualities, outstanding level of design expected of a German-based technology. So the technology which is have a huge life, rugged, and user-friendly. It's not which have a factor of reliability. We believe always in the quality and swift support. We are manufacturer for public address voice alarm system, IP-based public address system, digital public address system, and sound system, which is used in auditoriums, music, spa-like. Videos, CCTV, evacuation for life safety, background music. Our system can work same system as a background music, evacuation, and public address system. Professional sound, nurse call system, emergency lighting to escape the route, digital line array, fire alarm system, and networking components. Our product have a EN54. We are comply with the all UL standards, IS standards, EN54, ROHS, ISO, UL, BDS, BS6259, IC 60849. We have a global offices which is in placed in United Kingdom, India. We also place a factory in India, Hong Kong, Germany, Italy, Ghana, in Africa, and also we have started our Kenya operations, Nairobi. China, we have a small factory over there in China. United Kingdom, we have our office in United Kingdom, Dubai, Bhutan, Singapore, and Malaysia is as well. We have our own India office, which is based on Noida, which is Corporate Park. We have a factory in Oakland Industrial Area, New Delhi. Warehouse to handle the logistic part, deliveries across India. Bangalore warehouse to support to the Bangalore region for the deliveries as per the hub of deliveries as per the customer requirement. We prepare delivery schedules. Nagpur, Mumbai, Kolkata. We have our own offices in these territories in India to support. Other than this, we have our distributors, channel partners, system integrators, or support centers. We have a support center across India. We have vision which is focused on high quality. Henrik strives to achieve excellence position in setting the leading standards in life safety and audio video, top quality product and service. Vision to focus highly infrastructure, big project, mega deliveries. Solution for airport. We have completely 100% redundancy of controllers, amplifiers and class AB wiring, which is the both way we can use in a topology of connections separate A and B, and we can keep in loop as well, and which is connecting noise sensing microphones, gates. Auditorium solution. Henrik have a complete solution for auditoriums, microphones, mixers, controllers, amplifier, and professional speakers. Professional loudspeakers, which is come in 8, 10, 12, 15, 18 inch with the neodynamic drivers, polypropylene drives, highly quality auditoriums. Then conference system. In conference, Hendrik have a complete range of audio wide microphones, which is the flush mount, short goes like 6 inch, 12 inch, and bigger than this also optional available with wide and wireless. As per the aesthetics, microphones for delegate unit, chairman unit, and all mics connected with the controller. And controller which you can connect with the amplifiers, processors, feedback suppressors, or your loudspeakers. Or you can operate from the PC to have your recordings, or you can connect the third party any recording devices. And same you can synchronize with the Hendrik switchers with your video walls, LCD, LED, or projectors. DB8, which is EN54 approved voice alarm controller, which is have a quality of inbuilt 500 watt amplifier, good solution for corporate buildings, multi-stories, and high-rise buildings. On surface, you can go up to 3-4 buildings together on same network. The best quality of this controller, you can connect each controller distance 700 meter on Cat6 cable with high quality sound, music system, and evacuation with this. And you can announcement with the touch screen microphone, button microphone, or you can connect with your fire alarm integration with this. IP audio system. Different building you can use IP controllers, IP amplifier, or IP speaker. This is the each customer choice. If you are using IP controllers, each building have independent and you can control or operate from one place. It can be your same city, same building, different city, different country. You can operate from your headquarters. Example, from London you want to make announcement in Pune office or Delhi office as well. You can do with the controller of IP base or amplifier or loudspeakers. Both system is IP based. So its choice quite flexible Hendrik IP based system. You can use controller IP based, amplifier IP based, or loudspeaker IP based. Loudspeaker inbuilt have amplifier. It's PoE loudspeaker, which have a 10 watt, 20 watt, 40 watt, 50 watt. Wall mount, intercom, industrial grade, communication, wide, flexible range. As per the product requirement, to modify the project, we suggest our engineers will guide, help to make a design for the project. Same smart city on poles, you can use CCTV camera, you can use horn speaker, you can use intercom system. Your horn speaker can take a power from intercom, have amplifier, or PoE horn speaker will connect with the switch and operate from the centralized. Nurse call system. Hospitals nurse call used widely and manage the nursing staffs. You have a less staffs, high efficiency staff to use entire system. We have a bedside unit, toilet unit, and all unit connected with the corridor lamps or nurse call stations. So as per the priority, as per the patient, nurse can move one ward to another ward, one station to another station as per the priority. So you no need to walk every time in the ward. You have a one display on your nurse station. If nurse is not responding, the call connected to the control room. And control room, if you want this call to be diverted to the doctors or your command center or your specific numbers, you can do that. This Hendrik nurse call system is flexible wired, wireless and IP-based. IP-based control system you can use as a display, as a numbers, wide fonts. For hotels, hotel requirement you have a spa, restaurant, lawns, lobby, floors, meeting rooms. You need a controller who can distribute the sound in different area, and you can select the music in each area individually and play that individually zones. Now IP surveillance system architecture. CCTV camera on IP base is depend on your area and your lux level and your pixels. How many fonts, formats you want to record. All camera will connected with the PoE switch. Each switch connected with the DVR or video recorder. And Henrik BMS system software, this can create a 3D, and you can create a more and more designs over there. Put your buildings as per your project requirement. So our engineer, Henrik engineer, guide us, design you for your project, how to make a design in AutoCAD, how to make a software, etc. Evac Light, Henrik Evac Light, the brand which comes under Henrik, which is specific for the emergency light. Henrik have emergency light IEC 60849 approved, which is widely used in corridor, building, corporate to show the exit path for the evacuation. For any support, you can log in, connect henriklimited.com. You can send to info@henriklimited.com. They can design, or you can send an email for the support after sales service.